Hello, in this question we have got a simple regression lines. We've got goals scored here X and points Y. The table above shows the goals scored and the points of 7 Premiership teams. So I've got to find the correlation coefficient for the data. Then I've got to find a regression line, and then I've got to do a further question where Arsenal scored 60 goals, which is going to be based on B. So this is a graphic calculator question. So the first thing I need is my calculator up. So let's get this calculator, if I can work how to get the calculator on the same screen. Right, calculator up. Now what I've actually done here is I've already entered into the stats menu the two lists. So these are the numbers from the two lists. List 1 has got the X and list 2 has got the Y. Now I'm going to go to Calc, F2. And I always use, well, I want to use for this one the regression. But before I do that, I'm going to check that I've set them correctly. So I'm going to go into set. And for this one, I must have 2var list 1, that's the X values, and list 2 here, and the frequency is 1. So that's already set up. If it wasn't set up, you just click here, F1, and you choose which list you want. So that's quite straightforward. Now I'm going to come out of here, and I'm just going to press regress R. And I want X, and I want AX plus B. So here we are. These are the values. This is going to give me my B answer, the A and the B. The A value is 1.14 or 1.15, and the B value is negative 7.23. And the correlation coefficient for the data is the R value there, 0.899. So let's get all those down. So the first one was 0.899. And incidentally, that means that there's some very, very strong correlation. Okay, and I've forgotten the A value, which means I have to go through getting my calculator again. So the A value was 1.15 and the B value negative 7.23. So A is 1.15 and B was negative 7.23. So all straightforward so far. The final thing, Arsenal scored 60 goals. Now the goals are the X's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 60 in for X. So by the way, my equation, my line is Y equals 1.15 times X. And then I took away 7.23. So I'm going to make X 60 and I'm going to find out how many goals Arsenal would have scored. So it should be very straightforward. I'm just going to come out of here. I'm going to go into the run menu. And it's 1.15 times 60 minus 7.23. It's about 62 goals, 61.7. So actually I'm going to make this 61.7. So a very straightforward regression question.